Today I have this JBL Go. It is not giving any kind of sound. It is turning on properly. If I connect to charger, it is charging. Let me show you. I'm turning off the speaker now. It is turned off. Now let me connect the charger. Yeah, it is, the light is coming here. You can see it's charging. Now I'm turning it on, pressing the Bluetooth button. Everything is working, but there is no life of sound from the speaker at all. Let's open the speaker and see what is the problem. Let's start tearing it down. All right. All right, it's turning on. Now pressing this Bluetooth button. All right, it is in pairing mode. Now I'm going to connect this JBL Go with this mobile. Connected. Let me play some song. Increase the volume as well, keeping this mobile here. All right, it's playing. I have this speaker. Let me connect this, whether it's a speaker problem or board problem. Let us see. So to connect the speaker, just now I will connect the speaker here. Let's try here. All right. Okay. So sound is coming. Speaker is working. You can see here. So that means problem in this section. Let's see what is the issue. Oops. This positive terminal is not connected to positive. That is the reason sound is not coming in the speaker. All right, I hope so this driver will be good. Because of this connection it is not working. Let's solder this here and try with this speaker itself. All right, let me trim this and solder. I think this is common problem in this speaker. I have seen this problem in JBL Go 2 as well. You can check my previous video. There was same issue. Let me solder this. Please like and subscribe to Audio with 360. Actually it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. So it will be grateful if you subscribe. Just click that button down there and also just hit that like button as well. Thank you. Let's continue. I think this is also coming out, the black one. Let us fix. Oops, this also came out. I think let me clear this also and fix it. It is very thin wire actually. All right, let me solder this. All right, this is fixed here. Now let me insert this speaker cable to the motherboard. Then started playing. Great. Playing here. All right. Stopping the song. All right, that was the problem. Let me put the speaker back to its place. Let's put this case back. Done. This was a very small issue, but I think it is common issue. I hope it will help. All right, let me put this metal grill back to its place. Done. Let me test again after connecting it. Yeah, sound is coming now. Let me play this. right, that was a great fix. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.